At AnonTech, we have designed and built from the ground up a revolutionary new technology called ViziVault to solve the problems companies have with storing information about people. These days, data is the lifeblood of any company with a digital presence. Without it, e-commerce stores can't advertise and fulfill purchases. Banks cease to function. Healthcare companies can't provide proper care. Educational facilities fail. Government agencies lose their direction. The list goes on. Most companies understand the value of their data and have taken many approaches to protecting it. There is, however, one type of data that requires special attention, a different approach to manage, and that is personal information. Personal information, or PI, is any information that can be associated with a specific person. All PI is regulated by a set of laws known as data privacy laws. These laws vary by industry. For example, HIPAA for healthcare or PCI for finance. And also vary geographically. For example, GDPR in the EU or CCPA in California. All of these regulations are meant to govern how companies may use and store information about people and to protect those people or data subjects for whom that information is about. Data privacy laws are becoming more and more stringent, and collectively, what these laws are gravitating toward is that personal information is, in effect, private property that is owned by the person for whom the data describes. Because PI can effectively be considered private property, companies come under intense fire and severe scrutiny when that type of information is used improperly or, even worse, breached. Data breaches have become a significant problem, and no one seems to be immune these days. In the US, in 2019 alone, there were over 1,500 reported data breaches, exposing over 150 million sensitive records. Traditionally, companies have not treated PI any differently from the rest of their data. PI can be found mixed in with inventory data, sales and service records, marketing data, analytical information, and more. This poses a number of problems. By mixing this sensitive information in with other business data, it becomes extremely difficult to track, manage, and secure. And because this type of information is regulated differently, it needs to be treated differently. These are exactly the types of problems that we at AnonTech have solved with the ViziVault platform. At its core, ViziVault is built from the ground up to store, secure, and properly manage information about people, whether that's customers, employees, marketing targets, anyone. By organizing information around the person it is associated with, it becomes much easier to track and easier to comply with all of the various data privacy regulations. ViziVault also has a unique encryption protocol so that the data is never unencrypted while in transit or at rest within the system. Applications communicate with ViziVault over a simple-to-use REST API, and SDKs are available in many common programming languages. ViziVault Enterprise offers a powerful interface for an organization to properly manage all of their sensitive information in one place. Risk officers and corporate executives can see the full picture of how information is being used throughout the entire organization. Security officers have full control over which employees and applications have access to information through a powerful set of role-based access controls. Compliance officers can manage the various regulations in effect and understand the information in scope with each regulation. Engineers can ensure applications have the proper access to only the information needed to perform necessary activities. By leveraging ViziVault Enterprise, the proper people within an organization, from engineers to executives, have the right tools to effectively work with their most sensitive and valuable information. The ViziVault platform helps companies centralize and secure data, allowing them to safely scale while ensuring compliance. We do this in a number of ways. By proactively tracking and encrypting dispersed, chaotic data, we bring security to the forefront instead of having it be an afterthought. We leverage rule-based data identification to avoid costly regulatory fines and allow our customers to decide who has access to what data with preset and automated rules. Our platform can be integrated into any proprietary system using a robust, RESTful API that can be accessed via libraries in a number of common programming languages. At this point, we have the platform built and operating in a live production environment. It is our belief that ViziVault will revolutionize the world of data privacy and information management. And with your help, we can show the world what we have done.